This is what it is, okay? I said empty your mind. Be formless, shapeless, like water. Now you put water into a cup, it becomes the cup. You put water into a bottle, it becomes the bottle. You put it in a teapot, it becomes the teapot. Now water can flow or it can crash. Be water, my friend.
Think he ain't got what it takes. Understand I'm life tested, man. I guess niggas won't be happy until I'm in the freshest bands. Well, you a customer, you gotta buy so I can spend. I'm honest and diamonds gleam. Still got problems with my self-esteem. But if you ever stand around me, know you in the presence of a king. Before the misconstrued rumors, matter of fact, before anything. Before Johnny, before the internet. Still a corner boy, no need to interject. Niggas try to cap me on the boy, but I know they got regrets. Last year it was the bus, next year we on the jet. I swear life is a movie, I'm always on set. Life never perfect, I got things to perfect. But I'ma take the shit, everybody place your bets. It's nothing but hit records, from the burbs to the jets. Niggas wanna battle, we could lock in with some wreck. I flame you all. With all due respect, I'm a motherfucking rapper. I'm supposed to say I'm the fucking best. My nigga, I been knew I was the greatest before I put the GOAT on my chest. And for you haters, only mission is the paper. If life's a bitch, I swear, nigga, I'm gonna take her. And I got some shit coming like we shook out. You niggas catch the fader. Yeah.